Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again and box time again. So let's find out what's in the box. Stay tuned. All right, let's get into this, see what it is. Let's grab a knife over here and see what it is. What could it be? What could it be? You guys probably already know because it may or it may not be in the thumbnail already. But your guess is as good as mine. And oh, goodness gracious. Okay, there we go. Put that down and see. Got paper. Okay. Let's go. Wrapped up pretty good. Oh yeah. Here we go. Hawas fire. When this came out, I was actually not thinking about getting this because from what I could tell when from people talking about it, it seemed like it was a clone of Arrow's Flame, and I have a huge bottle of Arrow's Flame, so I'm like, I don't need to get a clone of Arrow's Flame. So the more I looked into it and I looked at the notes and things like that, I can't remember what the notes are now, but it doesn't sound like it smells like flame. So I figured I'll just get in, see. Since I got the other, I think I have all of them except for. Do I have all of them? Maybe I do have all of them. I think. All right, so here we go. Same presentation. And the box is pretty basic, just like a regular box. Oh, let me show you the front of it. The front of it is just a regular black box. Kind of has like a black and gray gradient to it, and it's pretty smooth on the front. And then on the side, there's nothing. That side is nothing. On the top, it just has the Rasasi. On the back, it has the Rasasi and some other little bit of information. And on the bottom, like usual, I'm getting a serious glare from this, but it's the barcode and the other pertinent information. Okay, the bottle is pretty much the same. It actually looks like it might be a little bit smaller, but it's pretty much the same as the other Hawas bottles. Let's see if I can get it where it's not a reflection. There we go. Has the fire, and then on the top there is the Rasasi. So let's grab a strip and check it out. The top doesn't feel as heavy as the other Hawas, but oh, okay, pretty big glass. It's kind of all over the place. It's like fresh, sweet. It's like a spicy, but it's kind of like not like your normal spicy. It's more of a spicy like if you're looking at fire, but you can't feel it. It's kind of like what you would imagine that you would be feeling or smelling from the fire. That's what I'm kind of getting. And man, I thought this was supposed to be a dark fragrance. This is like a fresh fragrance. I was thinking this was going to be something heavy for the winter time, but this smells like something that you will wear for the summer or spring. Um, I don't think I have anything on my hand. I don't smell anything. Let's see. Let's go right on scan. Get a uh, get a different impression about it. And the top, it's not on place. I'm smelling a lot of alcohol. Now this fragrance is weird. It's like a kind of like a freshness and sweetness. It's artistic. I could say that. Do I like it? I'm still on the fence about that. It's changing. It's changing now. I feel like I'm kind of getting like some caramel or something, or some powdery notes. This is, whoo, this one is different. But I'm still getting that freshness, like a freshness like from a lavender or something like that. This is and oh, wait a minute, that just smelled like that was kind of like woods, like a sweet kind of woods, maybe amber. Okay, let me get the notes and find out what this is. Hold on a second. All right, folks. So I am back, and the more this fragrance is kind of somewhat of a mystery. The notes that I found like 3 different sets of notes, and all of them are different. So I'm not sure if these notes are correct, so take it with a grain of salt. So what I have for this one, and also this fragrance changed a lot since I had it on. It smells like it's going to be better in the air than actually smelling it up to your hand, like smelling it like that. Smell like that now, it smells okay. It's like a warmer kind of vibe to it. But let me just tell you what the notes are. The top notes is clary sage. Then the middle notes we have Egyptian jasmine and marine notes. And then in the base notes we have amber, mineral notes, and ambergris. So those notes are all over the place because it's like a freshness, and then aquatic, and then a sweetness, and the amber with the darkness and the ambergris. It's kind of all over the place. I'm not saying that it's a bad fragrance, and I'm not saying that it's a fragrance that I love. This smells like something that you would probably have to wear and get a vibe for it. I can't say that, yes, run out and buy this if you haven't already. But like I said, smelling it like that is getting better now. Like I'm starting to smell more the amber is coming up, and there's something else sweet with it. Like, to me, I feel like I'm smelling like a honey or something like that when I smell it up close. And honestly, in the air, if I'm just moving my hand, it smells a lot better in the air than sniffing it right up to my nose. But yeah, I'm gonna have to check this out and see how it actually wears. There it goes. Here we go again. So yeah, that's all I got for you today. I can't confirm, or definitely can't say yes, you should go out and get it, or no, you shouldn't get it. I just rolled the dice and was just like, I'll go ahead and try it. I liked all the other Hawases. From what so far, I would say this one may be my least favorite for right now. But I have a feeling that the more I wear this, the more I'm gonna like it. So yeah, I don't know. All right, that's all I got for you today. It's your boy Will with the Will Report. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, anywhere, But you're here with me checking out the new Hawas. Well, it's not so new now. The new Hawas Fire. Actually, this one came out before the Elixir, and I got the Elixir before I got this one. But anyway, until next time, deuces.